Hi gang, this is Mike G from Mr. GTV and welcome to Sunday Silence. You can hashtag Sunday Silence in the Mr. GTV Facebook group and you'll see lots of different stages of accessing the silence techniques, to go into the silence, to go into what I call the gap, which is the space between your thoughts. In that gap between your own thoughts, you will hear the voice of God or the voice of your higher self. You can tune into the universe. We live in a unified field. We live in an overcoat of consciousness, what's called an oversoul, and we're all connected vibrationally on that frequency of Spirit FM. This is human FM, physicality. Spirit FM is the realm of the invisible, higher ascended, transcended realms, and in the silence you can access that. So that's enough talking from me. There's no technique here. You basically go into the silence, which means you say nothing, you listen to everything and react to nothing. Say nothing, pay attention to everything and react to nothing. Just see what reoccurring thoughts come up and just go, that's interesting, and move on. See what keeps coming up, but don't focus on it, don't react to it, and maybe at the end of this period of silence, which I call golden time, you can journal what kept coming up. But for people who've done this a while with me, I would recommend that if something keeps coming up, pay attention to it, make a mental note, let it go, and just think next. See what else comes up. Eventually, these reoccurring habitual thoughts that keep repeating themselves will stop. When they stop, that stillness, that still point, that silence, that's the gap, that's your higher self, and you've made contact with it, so well done. Let's go into the silence now. Take a deep breath, breathe out, close your eyes and relax. Relax, relax. Clear your mind. Pay attention to everything. React to nothing. And enjoy the silence. Bring your awareness now back to this present moment. Remember everything, react to nothing. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out, open your eyes. And welcome back. Now that's as long as it takes. Practice doing this throughout the day and every day. If you've been doing this for a while with me, the Sunday Silence practice, going into stillness, you'll find many benefits. I would recommend that you practice golden time silence training in different environments, in the office, in the supermarket, go to a beach, go to some woods, go to a park, go and stand on the pavement somewhere near some traffic lights where it's busy and just maintain silence. Close your eyes if it's safe. You can do this with your eyes open, although some people get distracted when they've got visual input, but with practice you'll get to that point where you can observe, not react, maintain stillness. Being calm and relaxed is your superpower. Being non-reactive is your superpower. Finding peace and maintaining peace is your superpower. Be super powerful, enjoy your mind, practice this. Check back for more from me, Mike G, for free on Mr. GTV, and there's a plethora of silence training and meditation training. Just hashtag meditation, hashtag Sunday silence, hashtag still point in Mr. GTV Facebook group. Share the group, there's lots of training there for you, and you should share it because you care, share because you care, be powerful. Check back for more, take care.